Did you know that 75% of people experience a major life transition in their 40s, 50s, or even 60s, and it's not always by choice? Starting over can be daunting, no matter what age you are. The fear of failure, the uncertainty of what's next, it's enough to keep you up at night. But what if I told you that starting over can also be a chance to rediscover yourself, to pursue passions you thought were lost, or to create a life that's even better than before? Think about it. When was the last time you took a risk, tried something new, or explored a new interest? For many of us, life gets comfortable, and we stick to what we know. But comfort can be a trap that prevents us from growing, learning, and evolving. So, what's holding you back from starting over? Is it fear, self-doubt, or something else? The truth is, starting over is not just about making a change, it's about creating a new narrative for your life. It's about embracing the unknown, taking a leap of faith, and trusting that you'll land on your feet. And you know what? You're not alone. People all over the world are starting over, every day, at 30, 40, 50, and beyond. They're pursuing new careers, starting new businesses, or simply exploring new passions. So, what's the first step you can take towards starting over? Is it taking a course, reaching out to a mentor, or simply having a conversation with someone who's been there? The point is, starting over is not just about making a change, it's about creating a life that truly reflects who you are and what you want. So, don't be afraid to take that first step, to take a leap of faith, and to trust that you'll land on your feet. You've got this. You're stronger than you think, and you're capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. So, go ahead, take that first step towards starting over. Your future self will thank you. If this video inspired you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe for more content on personal growth and self-improvement. If this video made you think, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe to Real Talk POV so you never miss a truth worth knowing. Hit like, drop a comment, and ring that bell. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.